Alright, good morning. This is the 2018 4RUNNER Trd Off-Road Premium. Beautiful. It's in nautical blue. Has the blacked out package on it. Blacked out emblems. Has the blacked out rims, TRD Pro wheels. The blacked out running boards. Beautiful vehicle. Gorgeous. Has your black mud guards, as well as has tow package, blacked out emblems in the back as well. This one comes standard with navigation, power sliding rear window, tow package. It's beautiful. Let's check out the interior. It has beautiful leather interior, power driver and passenger seats. This one comes with your all-weather mats. The Trd Off-Road Premium has navigation, 4x4, carbon fiber trim. Check out the rear. Beautiful all-weather mats back here as well. Leather seats. The rear has your AC and heat vents, as well as your power outlets with USB outlet as well. Beautiful. All right, come on down. We're going to give you a great price on this beautiful 4RUNNER Trd Off-Road. Gorgeous. Hey, how you doing? I'm Charles. Come on down. I cannot wait to meet you. We put dreams in driveways here at Toyota Dallas. So come on down, take advantage of our great offers. I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.